What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is a super exciting day. We're on our way to Copart to pick up my next rebuild. I got the trailer hooked up on the truck, so let's go and pick up the next ride and I'll tell you guys exactly what we bought on our way there. Got the truck and the trailer hooked up and ready to go. So stay tuned and find out what we bought. We just left the shop on my way to Copart in San Diego. It's about, let's see, 86 miles. So it's gonna take me about an hour and 20 minutes to get there. And we're picking up a nice rebuild. And I wanna say a big shout out to Serge. He's the owner of the Porsche. So he bought this Porsche. He found me on YouTube as well. Just been chit-chatting back and forth. He came by the shop, we met in person. He's gonna meet us at the auction. We're gonna pick up his dream car. He found this car, he bought it, and he wants me to rebuild it for him. So it's a 2017 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. So a really nice car, 2017, low miles, I believe 17,000 miles, one owner, well taken care of, gray with red interior. So really nice car. So we're gonna go pick it up. Unfortunately, I did not buy this car, so I don't have a live auction for you guys, which I always try to provide you guys the live auction. So on this video, there's not gonna be a live auction. It's just gonna be me picking up the car and driving the car back and looking at the damage and all that fun stuff. But once we get there, I'll show you guys the car up close and we'll go from there. So for now, enjoy the ride and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Pulling up and I literally could see Mexico. Here's the flag. I'll show you. Here's the map so you guys have an idea how close I am. Maybe I should just fly my drone over the border real quick. That would be awesome. We're about to get off the exit and we're almost here. We'll find out what the car looks like. I saw the cars only by pictures and he actually went and looked at it in person as well. So he said the car checks out really good, so we'll find out. Looks like our exit. Boom, so we're here pretty much. We got 1.2 miles to go and we should be at Copart. man, there she is. Look at this. Such a nice Porsche. Let's walk around and see what's going on with this. The damage is up front. So it looks like bumper, headlight, fog light, grille. Inner cooler should be okay. Wheel is damaged. No damage to the wheel well or any of that stuff. Yeah, it looks clean. Wow. Wow, no structural damage whatsoever. It's all cosmetic. I wonder why they rolled this off. Little scrape, nothing too major. Let's go around the back. Back end looking good. Just a little dirty, need to clean it up. Some ding over here, but I think a PDR guy could pop this out. Wow, look at this beauty. Let's see, where's our key from the car? The key. No key, I don't see a key. Before we go, we need to find the key from it. So no key, huh? Where's the key from this? You guys gonna have to excuse me. Let me find the key and I'll get back to you. So I gotta put my mask and we're gonna go inside of the office and find out what happened to the key from the Porsche, because it's missing the key. Right, they just gave me the keys. We got it. Yeah, such a mean people working in there. The guy's like, oh, if it's not there, then there's no key. I'm like, look at this picture. There's a key and it says present. Well, that's what they do. If somebody would pick up this car, if it would be out of state, they don't care. They'll just drop it and then you're screwed. You're out of luck. They didn't pick up the key. So yeah, I had to go in there and like, yo, I ain't leaving till you give me my keys for this Porsche. So super happy overall. So let's strap this bad boy up and head back to the shop. Just secured the car, put 4 straps on each wheel, so we're ready to go back to the shop. We got about an hour drive, but man, I'm still like super excited about this car. I got 4 straps all around. Let's do a final walk around, make sure everything is good. Yep, let's go back to the shop. Arrived back at the shop. Man, it's already getting dark outside, but yeah, we made it, no problem. Porsche is still there, didn't lose anything. Yeah, so we'll just leave it like that for now till tomorrow, and then in the morning we'll start unloading the car. So yeah, super excited about this build once again. Another one. I don't think I rebuilt a Cayenne before on my channel, no, so this is the first one. So yeah, we'll park the truck and unload the car tomorrow in the morning. It's the next day. Yesterday we picked up the car and I parked it in the yard. It was too dark, couldn't even record it. So for now the car is gonna sit here. We're waiting for a suspension. I'm gonna try to find a used suspension and replace everything so we could get the car off the trailer, and we'll start doing the body work. So for now we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2 we'll install the suspension and get the car off the trailer and start working on the body. So stay tuned for that video. For now, you guys know what to do. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 2. До свидания!